Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today, your boy Andre here. And today, I found this video called EAS Canada Day Special Hell in Canada. And I live at Canada. I watched it and warning, it will cause ear rape if you put it to 100% of your volume, so I'll just put it middle. Yeah, middle, so I don't get ear rape.
Spread up to 350 miles and will...
I want to hear the alert also. So here.
We have tape. Sticky, strong tape.
At that moment, it becomes that. And then... What the? Oh my... Oh my... Jesus Christ. What's better off this?
This message was from the Canadian government. Event type: attack, meaning an attack is in progress for our country.
Oh my god.
There are 3 super nukes heading towards this country. The first one can spread up to 100 miles and it will hit Ottawa in 40 minutes.
No way!
The second one can spread up to 350 miles and will hit Toronto, Ontario in 1 hour and 25 minutes. The third one is the deadliest, with it spreading up to 500 miles and it will hit Montreal, Quebec in 3 hours. Pack stuff that will last weeks, if not months of food, water, clothing, medical supplies,
this gave me a
and a
complete
battery-powered radio to tune into the situation. Seek
like
a nearest
100
fallout shelter.
days. Oh
if
my
there is
god.
no fallout shelter, seek an underground basement immediately and close and seal all cracks, doors, and windows.
Oh my
Fallout is a
god.
deadly spread that could cause radiation sickness and or death. Make your shelter as comfortable as possible because you will have to stay in there for weeks, if not months. Tune into updates as they follow.
God.
Ce message venait du gouvernement canadien. Type d'événement:
The
attaque
French
signifiant
voice
qu'une
is
attaque est en
even
cours pour notre
scarier.
pays. 3 missiles nucléaires se dirigent vers ce pays. Il y a 3 super armes nucléaires en direction de ce pays. Le premier peut s'étendre jusqu'à 100 000
my
et frappera
god.
Ottawa dans 40 minutes.
What the
Le deuxième peut s'étendre jusqu'à 350 000 et frappera Toronto, Ontario en 1 heure
Oh
et
my
25
god.
minutes. Le troisième
You're
est le plus meurtrier
joking, right?
avec un écart de 500 miles et il frappera
HeroEyes,
Montréal,
more like
Québec dans
devil
3
eyes.
heures. Emporter des trucs qui dureront des semaines, voire des mois, de la nourriture, de l'eau,
Oh
des
my
vêtements,
God.
des fournitures médicales et une radio alimentée par batterie pour régler cette situation. Cherchez un abri anti-atomique le plus proche. S'il n'y a
Yes, don't comment, I'm making a YouTube video. This can't be happening.
pas d'abri
Don't worry, at least this is fake. It didn't really happen.
anti-atomique, cherchez immédiatement un sous-sol souterrain et fermez et scellez toutes les fissures, portes et fenêtres.
And
Les
since
retombées
Canada, like Quebec is French, and Canada, like the Canadian province, is French, it makes sense why they put it in a French voice.
Une propagation mortelle qui pourrait
No, I
provoquer
don't
la
want that. I want
radiation
this.
ou la mort. Rendez votre abri aussi confortable que
Not
possible car vous
downloading.
devrez y rester pendant des semaines, voire des mois. Suivez les mises à jour au fur et à
And
mesure.
how did he manage to get this effect? How? Oh my god. It's like a tornado happened in that EAS. Oh my god. Well, this is bad shit. Sorry if I sweared, but this is bad beep crazy. So yeah, like the video if you enjoyed it, but next time, HeroEyes, if you're watching this, then next time don't scare Canadians, cause you really scared me on this one. You really did. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Will be in the description of HeroEyes this video. Okay.
You say you love me, but I don't think that it's